From FX Empire, this is Chris, and I'm looking at the euro dollar. You can see that it's been a little bit positive during trading on Tuesday. Now, keep in mind, as we roll into Wednesday, it's Independence Day in the United States, so liquidity is going to be a major issue for about half the session. Right now, it looks like 116.5 is a bit of a fulcrum for price. We have made a higher low, which of course is bullish, but we haven't made higher highs. So I think that this is indicative of a market that doesn't know what to do. And, in this environment with the trade wars and it's not surprising. I suspect we go back and forth doing very little during the day. Probably the best way to approach this market right now. Otherwise, if we break down, say below 116, we'll probably make a move towards 115, and breaking below 115 would be catastrophic.